Hi, Southern California. Nick Cardin, Vice President and General Manager here at Puente Toyota. Let's talk about maintaining your new Toyota and how you can save money in the long run. Puente Toyota Car Care and Lease Prepaid Maintenance programs offer a no-worry confidence throughout the entire car purchase experience, which can eliminate future car maintenance worries and increases the overall value that is yielded from a well-maintained vehicle. What are the benefits to you? First off, it helps lock in maintenance prices at today's prices. Number two, all maintenance is performed by Toyota's highly trained technicians using factory-designed parts to keep your new Toyota running like a new Toyota. It has the confidence that the maintenance has been done right by our factory techs. You get a complete service history of all covered maintenance services performed under the program, and the plan is actually transferable to a new owner in a private sale with a $50 transfer fee. All of this covers all scheduled maintenance on your new Toyota up to 5 years. All of this in efforts to keep your new Toyota driving and running like a new Toyota. Thanks for watching.